In the morning. I'm always busy every morning. I always make my bed every morning. I sometimes wash the dishes in the morning. I sometimes go to the park in the morning. I always brush my teeth in the morning. I always drink coffee in the morning. I always eat my breakfast in the morning. I always read the newspaper in the morning. I always finish my work at 4:30. Now it's your turn. Answer the questions and write your answer down below. Do you make the bed in the morning? Do you wash dishes in the morning? Do you go to the park in the morning? Do you brush your teeth in the morning? Do you drink coffee in the morning? Do you eat breakfast in the morning? Do you read newspaper in the morning? What time do you finish work? Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.